natural health for beginners.
How to make rosemary oil for hair growth. Rosemary oil is a powerful natural remedy known for promoting hair growth, strengthening hair follicles, and improving scalp health. Here's an easy step-by-step recipe you can follow to make your own rosemary oil at home. Ingredients: fresh or dried rosemary, 1 cup, loosely packed. You can use fresh or dried rosemary for this recipe. Fresh rosemary is more fragrant, while dried rosemary has concentrated essential oils. Carrier oil, 1 cup. Use a carrier oil such as extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil, or jojoba oil. Each carrier oil offers its own benefits. Olive oil is nourishing, coconut oil has antifungal properties, and jojoba oil is great for balancing scalp oil production. Instructions: prepare the rosemary. If using fresh rosemary, rinse it thoroughly under cold water and pat it dry to remove moisture. Moisture can spoil the oil. Gently crush the rosemary leaves using your hands or a mortar and pestle. This helps release its oils. Heat the oil. Pour the 1 cup of carrier oil into a saucepan or double boiler. Heat the oil on low for about 5 minutes, ensuring it doesn't reach a boiling point. Heating gently will allow the rosemary oils to infuse better. Add rosemary to the oil. Once the oil is warmed, add the prepared rosemary to the saucepan. Stir gently to ensure the rosemary is fully submerged in the oil. Simmer and infuse. Keep the oil and rosemary mixture on low heat for about 30 to 45 minutes, stirring occasionally. Be cautious not to overheat, as this can degrade the oil. You'll know it's done when the oil takes on a strong rosemary scent. Strain the oil. After the infusion time is up, remove the saucepan from the heat and let it cool. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth into a clean glass jar or bottle. Discard the rosemary leaves. Store the rosemary oil. Pour the infused oil into a dark glass bottle to protect it from light, which can degrade the essential oils. Store in a cool, dark place. Properly stored, the rosemary oil should last up to 6 months. How to use rosemary oil for hair growth. Scalp massage. Apply a small amount of the rosemary oil to your scalp, gently massaging it in with your fingers. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes or overnight for better absorption. Hair mask. Mix rosemary oil with other hair-nourishing ingredients like coconut oil or castor oil for a deep conditioning hair mask. Add to shampoo. Add a few drops of your homemade rosemary oil to your shampoo or conditioner for a daily dose of hair-strengthening benefits. Benefits of rosemary oil for hair growth. Stimulates blood circulation to the scalp, encouraging hair growth. Strengthens hair follicles, reducing hair thinning. Helps combat dandruff and scalp irritation. Adds shine and smoothness to hair. Give this simple DIY rosemary oil recipe a try and incorporate it into your hair care routine for stronger, healthier hair. Don't forget to subscribe for more wellness tips and share your experience in the comments below.